Hi, this is John with WTI and trying different types of tea. And I found out that this is really good. This is the Bigelow tea bags, lemon and ginger. This already has probiotics that's gonna help with your digestion. It could be helpful with it. And I found it already my own. So I had this big meal on Saturday. Oh my God, it was so big. I haven't ate that much in a while. And the day after, my belly was a bit funny and I had well, a bit too much. 3 tea bags of this, and I felt just so nice, so warm, so good that you're having a good sensation. It's helping with your. It helped me with my digestion in that day, and overall has this nice, great flavor of lemon and ginger. I just added a little bit of honey, and it did the job perfectly for me. So if you're just really trying to try new different types of uh, taste with your tea, this is actually a great option overall. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.